everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a bill condensing video because, as you guys know, in the last video I had a lot of small bills in my binders, and on top of that I really don't want a lot of money here at the house, so I am going to be condensing into these fake 100, these bill. All right, so I'm going to be doing in those fake hundreds, and if I need bigger ones, I have bigger ones back here. So all right, let's start off with my long-term binder. Let's see what this could need. All right, so my son Sway, he has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. So 898, I believe. I don't remember what I said. All right, that's 5. 1, 2, that's already prop money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let's put that right there and put another 100 in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to round it up. I'm going to put a $100 bill in here, and I'm just going to deposit this money. What's $3 more, right? Or $2 more. So that's what we're going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So $900 is what he has. Am I right? $180. Yeah. Okay. So $900, and these money holders, you guys, these, what do you call them? Placeholders. Oh my god, why did I not remember that? These placeholders, I got them from Davina. I'll have her link down below if you guys want to grab some. They're really, really nice. I've had them for a while now, but they're very sturdy, and they're super nice. All right, my car registration is already all prop money, and it's $400, so we're gonna leave it at that. Car insurance. This one has 100. It's already a prop money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we're going to add one more 100. $20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So I can't do nothing there. So $285. We're just going to leave it at that. All right. Christmas has 100, already a prop money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Vacation has $20, so let's take that out and add a 20 to it. Investing has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So we're just going to leave that at that. And I believe the next cash stuffing, I will be taking this out and actually investing it. Home has 20, 40, 65. So we're going to leave it at that. Emergency fund is gonna have, it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we can add a prop 100 here. A placeholder. Let me stop saying prop. A placeholder. And then 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're gonna leave it at that. So 114. Savings is gonna have, oh my god, savings has let me stop. Saving has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So what I can do is I can add a 20 for these 5s. And then it'll be 20, 40, 60. Simpler. Let's make our life simple. I like that. MMO does not have much, but it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let's put $100 placeholder in there, and then 5, 10, 15. So just 115. I gotta make sure I only grab one because last time I grabbed 2 and I was so confused as to why one of my envelopes had so much. And then I realized, hold on, there's an extra 100 in here. All right, let's go into my short term. My short term car maintenance has 100 in prop money already. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So only the 100. 100 here. And the 100 here. All right. And that'll be it for car maintenance. Couponing has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and 75. So we can add another 20 here. So now it's 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. It's a lot easier to count, not so many 5s. Laundry, I'm going to leave it alone. Momo and Demon, they are my cats. They have 100, 200, 300, 400. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So these are all prop bills already. So we're going to leave it at that. I kind of want to just add $10 to make it an even 5, but we're not going to do it. We're not going to do it. Giveaways. Giveaways has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So it's already pretty condensed. So we're going to leave it at that. Does anybody else do that where they count the money and they're like, only $5? I want to add the $5. Yep, that's me. All right. So buffer has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. All right. A lot of these just need like $5 or $10 to make it like an even number. So I don't know. All right. That is it for my short-term binder. Now the juicy one. This is the juicy one, you guys. This one has a lot of money in it. And I'm so excited to get it all out of here. Let's put that to the side. All right, Gold Digger Challenge has, let's see, $500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are real, you guys. These are real hundreds. So let's change that to 1. Let's not do that 100. Let's do a 500, yeah? Can we do that? Yes. Yes, we can. You know what? Nope. Never mind. We are going to do a 1,000. Here we go. A 1,000. All right. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So 20, 40, 60. 1, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. I'm going to put a $100 bill for this. So this one now has 1,100, 20, 40, 60. So 1160. And look at this. So much thinner. So much thinner. All right. Mystery Challenge has... You guys, I just started this one like 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, I think. And I already have a lot. 1, 2, 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 3, 10. So 310. So I could do 2 of them for those. So 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So I'm just going to put that in there with that. The rest were 5s, right? Okay, a little complicated, but I did it, you guys. I did it. So mystery challenge now has 100, 200, 300, 5, and 10. So 310. And as you guys know, I don't like to keep a lot of money in the house, so that's why I'm doing the placeholders for the $100 bills. Look at this. This is the Holy Grail. I'm so happy. Okay, so this is the one that I've been wanting to do, you guys, because this is the one that I was like, I don't want to have that much money in the house. All right, so we have 100, 200, 300. Those are all real, so let's change them out for ones that are not. 300, and I believe these are all fake. And then there's one more real one, so let me get another one, you guys. Kind of ran out of prop money here. Okay, there we go. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 417 here. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, a 1,000 placeholder. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2. Okay. So that'll be here. Five, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So what we can do is add a 5 here. And call it a day. Look at this. It's so much thinner. All right, so we have 1,000, 100, 200, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So 12, 17. All right. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is it. All right, let's count the money. Let's count how much. Let's count how much we are going to be depositing. This is a lot of money. Look at this. Look at this. You guys see that? This is a lot of money. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 20, 40, 60, 80, 12, 20, 40, 60, 80, 13, 20, 40, 60, 80, 14, 20, 40, 60, 80, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 16, 20, 40, 60, 80, 17, 20, 40, 60, 80, 18, 20, 40, 60, 80, 19, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2,000. That is $2,000 right here, you guys. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do the 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. Is that 200? I think so. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So I think 22.98, I believe, if I'm not wrong. And I'm not counting it again, so I'm going to take my word for it. 22.98. That's a lot of money, you guys. A lot of money to have in the house, you know? I'd rather have it in my high yield savings account. All right, you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you manifest the savings, they will come. So let's manifest for 2023, you guys. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you're manifesting, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.